Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Microsoft PowerPoint tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record the screen on your computer using PowerPoint. So it's actually very easy and it's built into PowerPoint, and it even outputs to MP4. So if you wanted to use this for YouTube videos or something like that, you could easily edit it and upload it to YouTube. All right, so the first thing we need to do to get started is simply open up PowerPoint. Once we're in PowerPoint, what I'm going to do is just start a blank presentation. You could do this in any presentation that you currently have saved or you're working on, anything like that. So we'll go to blank. Now all we need to do is go up to the top and go to Insert, select Insert, and then in Insert, go all the way to the right under Media, and you should see Screen Recording. So if I select that, what it's going to do is bring up this little window at the top. Now, in order to start screen recording with PowerPoint, what you need to do first is select the area of your screen that you want to have PowerPoint actually record. So I can select just a portion of my screen like this. Now, if I want to change that, all I need to do is go back up to the window at the top and go ahead and select Area again, and then it will allow me to select a new area. If I want to select the entire screen, go up, select Area, and then go all the way in the top left corner and drag it all the way down to the bottom right. If you have multiple monitors, do not worry, it'll only record one monitor at a time. So I've selected the entire monitor. Now before we begin recording, we have a couple other options to go through. If you want it to record audio from both your desktop, so if you're watching a YouTube video or any media, and any microphones that you have, then make sure that the audio button right here is gray. If it's white, that means it will not record the audio. And then if you also want it to record the pointer, so your mouse cursor, then go ahead and make sure that that is gray as well. And that can be useful if you're trying to present something in your recording so people can follow along. Now, all we need to do to begin our recording is simply select Record. It'll count down. And then once it disappears, we have started recording our screen with PowerPoint. So anything I do on my screen will be captured by PowerPoint and recorded. Once I want to stop recording or change anything about the recording, I can go up to the top to reveal the controls and just select pause or stop. But you can also do that using a keyboard shortcut. So to stop the recording, it would be the Windows key Shift plus Q. And to start a recording or pause it, it would be the Windows key plus Shift and R. So now that I paused it, I can go ahead and begin it again as soon as I want to. And I'll go ahead and pause it again using my keyboard. So as you can see, I used my keyboard and it brought the menu back up. And then to stop it, I just hit the stop button right here. So now that I've stopped the recording, it's gone ahead and saved it and then inserted it into the slide that I was working on. In the slide, I have the option of moving the video around. If I was going to use this in a slide, maybe I wanted to have some text to the left of it or something. And if I want to play the video, all I need to do is right under the video, you see a play button. I can play it there. You can change the audio and turn it up and down that way. Now they do have some options to edit the video. So first, if you wanted to edit the color or add a border to your video inside your PowerPoint presentation, you would do that by first selecting the video and then go up to the Video Format tab in the top toolbar. And then as you can see right here, we have some color correction. You can also just add color to it. And then over to the right, you can change the shape of the video, add a border, and then some effects, as well as add some alt text and even crop the video if you wanted to. If you selected too big of an area, you could change that there. Another thing to keep in mind is the poster frame, which is basically the thumbnail that will be shown in the PowerPoint presentation rather than just showing a frame of the video. So if you wanted to have an image be shown and then you could click on the video to play it, you could do that there. We can also trim and actually edit the video by just right-clicking it. And then right here, you can see that you can trim it by selecting Trim. So if I select that, it'll show the video and I can decide when I want the start time to be and then also change the end time. So it'll trim portions of the video. So you can move the start time by dragging the green bar right here. And you can change the end time by moving the red bar. You can also press play right here to play it and see what your video looks like before you save it. Once you're done, go ahead and select OK, and that'll save the trim version of the video. Now, if you want to export the video to maybe upload to social media or YouTube, something like that, just right-click the video in the PowerPoint presentation, and then go down to Save Media As, right here, select that. Then it'll bring up the File Explorer on your computer, find the area where you want to save the video, name your video, and then go ahead and select Save. And then when I go to the folder containing the recording, if I right-click it and go to Properties, you can see that it is an MP4. and that it opens up and I can watch it just like any video I would on my computer. So that means you can edit this in any video editing software and then upload it wherever you want. All right, so that's how you record your screen using PowerPoint. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Microsoft or PowerPoint tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.